Hello and welcome to Markethive's fully automated email marketing. My name is Tom Prendergast. I am the CEO and founder of Markethive, and I have been developing autoresponders since 1994. I invented it. It was called Verimail. Today, after more than 20 years, we have unveiled a new paradigm in the automation market. In 2016, email turns 45 and shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, it's one of the most widely used and trusted channels for people to communicate today. It's helped elect world leaders and has been the secret ingredient for many startups to grow into multi-billion-dollar companies. But the dark side of email is spam. While today's spam filters do a good job of keeping junk out of our boxes, many organizations also get caught in the crossfire of the war on spam when your emails end up in the spam folder. If your subscribers don't see your emails, then they don't click open and they can't convert. While the importance of reaching customers' inboxes is undeniable, the reality is that many messages are missing the mark. This year, on average, 1 in 5 messages have failed to reach the inbox. Global deliverability also experienced a slight but steady decline quarter over quarter, with 24% of messages missing the inbox in the last quarter studied. With deliverability declining, marketers are missing out on building valuable relationships and achieving the highest possible ROI. Getting to the inbox entails more than hitting the send button. Below is a representation of the filters each message encounters on its journey. Emails that are able to make past both gateway and spam filters are delivered to the inbox. Emails that are deemed malicious or untrustworthy are often blocked at the gateway, never reaching the inbox or the spam folder. For messages that make it past the gateway, spam filters look at the reputation of the sender, subscriber engagement, and content to decide if it should be placed in the inbox or the spam folder. There are many different ways to measure deliverability. In this report, we will focus on one important source: seed data. What is seed data measurement? With our large portfolio of email accounts, we can accurately measure our messages not getting blocked, making it into the inbox, speed of delivery, and reputation measurements, as this illustration depicts. Seed address was one of the first ways Markethive and email marketers measure inbox placement rates. Have you ever tested an email campaign's deliverability rate by sending it to your personal email address? That's similar to how seed addresses work, but at Markethive, we have seed addresses at hundreds of mailbox providers and filters around the world, and we use these multiple addresses to check to see if it was delivered, and if so, reports whether it went to the inbox or the spam folder. Delivery, placement into the inbox, the speed it arrives, and reputation it receives. Images are active, no phishing warnings, etc. Another way to measure deliverability is by monitoring the activity of real consumer inboxes. This is possible through images reporting back to the originating server receiver's behavior. This type of data is different from seed data in that the data is generated from real email accounts that are actively owned and managed by real subscribers at AOL, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. Through stealth technology, these image scripts are able to gather real-world data and real-world email behavior. For example, if an email lands in the inbox or spam folder, these reports can see whether or not people read an email, report it as spam, or many other hidden user behaviors. Aweber even brags about this technique on their web pages. As illustrated by Aweber on their blog, whenever your email campaigns are sent out, Aweber adds a tiny invisible image in the body of your email. This is known as a tracking pixel. Aweber hosts and tracks this pixel. When your email client accesses Aweber's server to display the image, your client is also telling Aweber what you are doing. Do you think that is ethical? We do not engage in sneaky image spy techniques. Others do. In fact, Aweber, GetRespond, iContact, MailChimp, HubSpot, Pardo, Salesforce, and all the others do. We don't. We have a far superior solution that results in greater results for you. Markethive utilizes mail servers running from the Amazon cloud. Amazon demands perfect email practices. Therefore, our technology solution for attaining leads, name, email, social network, phone source, etc., is unique. We reject the old practice of a capture page with fields asking for name, email, phone, etc., accompanied by a submit button. As illustrated here, a classic old school subscribe page requires you take time to enter your name, email, etc., field after field, then press the submit button, only to find yourself in another series of steps just to join or receive some offer, etc. Step after step, losing prospects at every step. It is well documented that the more steps in the form process, the geometrically increase in loss of your prospects occurs. Removing the dreaded submit button doubles your success, and this is a fact. Not only does email verification reduce lead conversion by nearly 50%, delayed verification email or spam folder delivery reduces lead acquisition by over 90%. We utilize OAuth technology and have innovated a patent-pending solution we simply call one-click submissions. No fields to fill out, no submit button to push, no instructions to open your email client and retrieve the verification email, and another link to click on to complete a process that is not secure and does not guarantee a spam-free process. Our process offers a selection of popular social networks to subscribe with. One simply taps the icon of choice. If the prospect is already logged into said social network, the process is completed instantaneously. One click means just that. In that simple one-click decision, you, the Markethive member, just received a true verified batch of data. Name, email, social network. In that moment of decision, the desired results are instant. In the notoriously abusive option, each action allows the subscriber to not continue. A name and email field and submit button equate to 3 steps. Then navigating and opening the mail client, finding the verification email, and clicking on the email link equate another 3 steps with a minimum of 6 steps. Each step offering the potential subscriber to reconsider and stop the process. I have timed verification emails for many legitimate services out there to take 30 minutes to several hours to be delivered. This delay guarantees a drastic loss of subscribers as well. Delivery of email is paramount and job one at Markethive. However, we have already dispensed with the old school yesteryear process of email verification. Now that we have developed instantaneous one-click subscriptions, we now concentrate on delivering your autoresponders and email broadcasts. As illustrated here, a simple decision to choose one of the 4 top popular networks is offered. One click and the process is completed. Do you have one of these accounts? Over 96% of you do. As illustrated, one click, that is it. Process done, membership delivered, offer completed, lead acquired. Capturing your leads data, name, email, etc. is just half the job, and Markethive has innovated doing this 500% to 1000% better than anyone else. However, delivering the mail is just as much, if not more, of the challenge, and Markethive crushes it here too. First off, we have the unfair advantage over all the others for one huge reason. We do not allow emails into our system. Seems contradictory, doesn't it? We allow social network data transfer of verified data through the OAuth technology that has become standard in today's internet environment. This means the challenge of spam complaints, discovering spam-trapped emails in the system, and the constant defense of spam complaints does not exist with us, because our process of acquiring contact data is 10 times more secure and 100% validated at the point of contact. This means Ironport and Amazon see our quality process, never receive spam complaints or receive SORBs and other blacklisting notifications. This is why we are able to send your email out within seconds and enjoy delivery rates above 99% into your inbox, not spam folders. With consistent seed testing, we are assured and can report our delivery of emails from the moment sent to received is less than 10 minutes, often within seconds. Good marketing practices breed a good reputation. We do not engage in shifty and sneaky practices. We do not send email from our system with hidden spy images. We do not report to our subscribers what you view, what you click, what you opened and looked at today or any day. What we do offer, no others do, is a fully operational market network. Like a social network, a market network has a social component. Unlike social networks, the market network is a market powered by SaaS, software as a system. Market networks have intrinsic value to the entrepreneur at Markethive, where they find costs like autoresponders, where we offer better value and better results at no cost for a superior solution. We spare no cost or discount any features. We have massive mailing servers, and because we are in the Amazon cloud formation, ramping up additional performance is automatic. That guarantees you suffer no degradation to your email being sent within seconds. We clock test our email sending often, whereas whole databases in the tens of thousands are sent and delivered within a couple of minutes. The following reports are the professional systems mail server admins utilize to monitor the mail. The following reports from Barracuda, Cisco, WatchGuard, and SenderScore consistently report Markethive as a top performance, good practice, non-spam system. SenderScore determines the volume against reputation. Spam traps hit complaints made from hundreds of reporting email blacklists. We are pleased our system ranks as high and in most cases higher than all other autoresponder services. Unlike the others, Markethive enjoys a AAA rating. WatchGuard reports Markethive with a 97% clean email and a reputation score of 30. Anything under 50 is good, 30 is considered excellent. In sharp contrast, the favorite autoresponder system Aweber has a marginal clean rating of 70% and less than optimum reputation score of 50. If you are in Barracuda, your email is stopped at the server and just blackholed. SORBs and other blacklistings are the cause of this. Send an email to a spam trap and you get listed for 24 hours. Chronic violations permanently block your IP address. This explains why most email servers change IP addresses often. We don't have to. Cisco represents the other 20% of mail servers Barracuda does not. So between the two of them, your email better rank good or delivery will never occur. Stay out of the spam traps and spam mailing. With Markethive, you are 100% covered in the good. Markethive autoresponders are elegantly simple but incredibly powerful. In the email control panel, there are only 3 levels to understand: setting up your actual autoresponders, broadcasting messages out to your lead databases, and the study of your email broadcast history. That is it. When it comes to managing your autoresponders, the best way to demonstrate the beauty of simplicity is to show you. Markethive's email autoresponder system is simple, unlimited, easily edited, and managed. Email broadcasts works like a blog system, produced in the same editing interface and easily produced and easily managed. With broadcast history, never lose track of the emails you published. We keep them tracked so you never have to worry what was sent yesterday, last week, or a month ago. With autoresponder systems, many call each set of autoresponders a campaign. You may have several capture pages you are marketing and advertising. We organize our campaigns in lead groups. When a prospect signs up via your capture widget, that lead is stored in a lead group of your choice. Unlike the other autoresponder companies, we do not charge for additional lead groups or campaigns. You can have as many campaigns, lead groups, as you wish. Markethive lead management blends with campaigns, allowing merging different campaign results for later broadcasting agendas. Markethive lead groups are the core and essence of organizing campaigns. We just happen to refer to them as leads and lead groups. It is just a matter of semantics. Our capture system is a state-of-the-art system. It employs the one-click subscribe function. We offer hundreds of templates with many themes and many top MLM company themes as well. Other systems that are similar cost a minimum of $20 per month, as high as $150 per month. We are the only comprehensive free system. We are the only system that gives you a page widget so you can host your capture page easily on your own domain. A capture system traditionally requires a form with fields. We did away with that archaic method. Now the one-click widget control panel sets up the capture system for Markethive capture pages, WordPress, and many other capture page systems. The capture page systems is a fully configurable control panel, integrating video choices, capture widgets, metadata, choice of hundreds of templates, and the option to build your own. Markethive autoresponders are built by the original inventor of the autoresponder back in 1996. This technology was developed extensively the following 20 years in a company called Veritech. Today, we offer you an autoresponder system that dwarfs the capability and effectiveness of the entire industry. Markethive autoresponder systems captures more leads and delivers higher rates into the inbox better than any others combined.